Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you can learn more about digital marketing. And in this video, I will be talking to you guys, why did I choose digital marketing even with zero experience, and what made me say yes, and my story, my fears, and everything in between. You guys, if you're new here, my name is Julia. I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I'm a wife, and back in 2018, I decided to become a stay-at-home mom. And last year, this time around last year, my son was going to start kindergarten last year, and I decided to search for ways to make money online. I was searching and searching work from home opportunities. I couldn't really find something that resonated to what I was looking for. I was searching for ways to be able to make money online without sacrificing time with my kids. I wanted something flexible that allows me to travel whenever we are going to travel on vacations. I wanted something to be able to make money from home and to be able to be present with my kids, go to their school activities, and be able to be a present mom. That was really hard to find, and I remember searching and thinking, how am I going to find this, you guys? So I was on social media and I couldn't find anything. I knew people was making money using social media, but I didn't know exactly how they were doing it. I thought you needed to have a big audience to be able to make money online, and that is not truth. I have been making money online without even having a huge following. So if I can do it as a person who knew nothing, zero experience about digital marketing, I believe you can do it too. You guys, I found this blueprint that teaches me how to make money online without even having experience. It's a learning and earning type of experience. Let's say you go to school, right? You go to college, you make an investment, and you take your classes, and it takes about an average of 2 years for you to finish your college degree. And then you start searching for a job, and eventually you start earning. With this program, the program that I started last year, it's a learn and earn opportunity. So as I was learning and implementing this, I was also earning at the same time. Still am, because I'm still doing it. So if you're searching for something that is live interactive, teaches you during lives, we do have live meetings weekly, and you are searching for ways to be able to make money online without even creating your own product, you can do this with digital marketing. Okay, you don't need to have experience. Like I said, you don't need to be a tech expert. That's the best part. And you don't have to have a huge following. When I started, I'm an introvert, you guys. Believe it or not, I know I'm in social media, but I am a huge introvert. And this not only is helping me bring more income, but is helping me boost my confidence, and it is helping me just to get out of my comfort zone. So I took this like a challenge to grow as a person, to grow my income, to help more people, more moms who are stuck searching for ways to bring extra income. You guys, you can make from $100, $300, $600, $900 in one day by just promoting this done for you product that is done and ready for you to promote, and you make 100% profit. When I made this one-time investment, I purchased this from a person, a mom of 5, who was making videos online, working from home. She is a stay-at-home mom, and she's able to do this around her kids. I thought, I don't know if I can do this, because this mom is very extrovert. I mean, the way she speaks on camera, she sounds very confident, and I am far from that. So I thought, I don't know. I think people who are extroverts and know how to speak on camera, they're the ones who are successful. That's what I was thinking. But no, all you have to do is just connect to your audience, speak about your journey. If you are a stay-at-home mom, speak about that. If you are a working mom and you're trying to make extra income, you can even talk about that. Whatever you're doing, okay, just be you. And you are able to connect with a lot of people who are in the same position as you, and you will be able to learn and grow at the same time. So if this is you, if you are done being stuck I'm gonna put the link down below, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you want more details, or if you just want to get started, or if you want to just view the information. It's free. I have this free blueprint for you guys that you can just look at it and see it yourself and see if this is something that will work for you, if this is something that will benefit you in your life. Do this, okay? You can ask me questions via email. I'm always there. I'm checking my emails every day. I'm helping people get started into digital marketing. And I remember, you guys, my first sale when I made $600 just by taking my daughter to bed, because I post videos on social media just talking about this amazing product. And someone from Singapore made a purchase for me, and that was an amazing feeling to be able to contribute to my home as a stay-at-home mom, taking care of my kids, and be able to make income that way. So if you are done struggling, done searching, just go ahead and check out this blueprint, and it's free for you to see. I will also send you a link of the free webinar that is going to be happening this week, and you will be able to attend, ask questions, learn a little bit more about this program, and make your decision if you want to get started as well. And like I said, I only made a one-time investment. Obviously, I made my investment back already. The first sale that I did, my investment was back to me. So if you're ready, go check out the link in my bio. I will be helping you. I will be sending out the blueprint right away. You'll have access to the website where it will show you more details about this program and see if this is something you are looking for. Hope you have a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. I will be posting videos here every Wednesday. So let me know if you have questions as well, so that I can start a Q&A video for you guys and answer your questions as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.